Are you looking to grow your YouTube channel quickly and effortlessly? Welcome to our step-by-step guide on YouTube automation for beginners. In this video, we'll explore the best tools, techniques, and strategies to help you automate your channel for maximum growth. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to save time, this guide will set you on the right path. So, what exactly is YouTube automation? Automation can help with various tasks such as content creation, video uploading, SEO optimization, comment moderation, and analytics. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus more on creating quality content and growing your audience. Now, let's talk about the top 5 YouTube automation tools you need to get started. Tool number 1, TubeBuddy, an all-in-one browser extension that offers keyword research, SEO optimization, bulk processing, and much more. Tool number 2, VidIQ, perfect for understanding your competition, enhancing your content strategy, and optimizing your video SEO. Other tools like Canva for thumbnail creation, Hootsuite for social media management, and YouTube Studio for analytics are also essential. One of the most important aspects of automation is content creation. Use AI-powered tools like ChatGPT to generate scripts, ideas, and descriptions faster than ever before. Automate your video production with tools like Adobe Premiere, Pro Templates, automated video editors, and more. Now, let's talk about automating video uploads and SEO optimization to increase your reach. With tools like TubeBuddy, you can schedule your uploads and set your tags, descriptions, and end screens ahead of time. Don't forget to use targeted keywords in your title, description, and tags. Tools like VidIQ will help you find the best ones. Automation isn't a set it and forget it process. Regularly monitor your performance and adjust your strategy. Use YouTube Studio's analytics dashboard to track your views, watch time, audience retention, and more. Experiment with different types of content, learn from your analytics, and grow your channel steadily. Ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level? Subscribe now for more tips and tricks on YouTube growth, and leave the comment below about which tool you like most, or thanks for watching.